Welcome to the Ramesseum in Egypt. The Ramesseum is located in Upper Egypt, close to the River Nile. The Ramesseum was multiple times excavated. The first trials were done at the end of the 19th century. Later, in the 20th century, many more excavations were carried out on and around the complex. The first question that we always ask is this: what is there to excavate if a monument is only some 3,500 years old? In a barren climate like that of Egypt, there is simply not enough organic material produced each year to bury a stone monument in just a few thousand years. This fact alone already implies extreme antiquity. Further examinations enforce our claims. Parts of the site's statues are made of pink and gray granite. Granite is one of the hardest types of rock. It has a hardness of 6 to 7 on the Mohs scale, which makes granite harder than iron and steel. Only diamond, corundum, and topaz are harder. The hardiness of granite makes it incredibly durable. Granite cannot be cut, tooled, or machined with a steel blade. It is not possible to say with carbon dating how old a granite statue or a stone monument really is. Some of the statues were made, according to the official textbooks, around 1300 BC. At that time there were no tools available to process granite, let alone to make beautiful, symmetrical, giant, and smooth statues. Not to mention the problem of extraction and transportation of the massive stones from the quarry to the site. The answer seems obvious: the statues were made with very advanced techniques. But where are the tools then? The answer to that question seems obvious as well. Granite as an incredibly durable material survived the rigors of time, while the tools are corroded away, or decomposed by the elements. Even diamond, although incredibly hard, does not withstand the test of time. So, that would mean that the statues are incredibly ancient. Some of the statues show markings of advanced machining, like we are showing here. The deep carving in the head of this fallen statue is made with an unknown tool. The cut is clear and straight. These are certainly no marks of primitive tools. A granite rock similar as a granite statue can be patiently waiting at the same place for millions of years. It is for us, conditioned humans, easy to believe that this granite rock that we can find everywhere in nature is sitting there already for millions of years. But when we would claim the same thing about a granite statue, we cannot believe that. The incredible sophistication and high finish of the statues are clearly pointing into the direction of advanced machining. The pharaoh, called Ramses II, simply claimed the monuments as one of his achievements. We applied our method to the Ramesseum, and found that the ancient temple was oriented to pole 5. That could mean, with a probability of around 80%, that the temple complex is as old as pole 5, between 330,000 and 345,000 years. This age explains everything simple and elegant. The stone monuments survived the eons, while everything else, like the tools, are corroded and decomposed. There is absolutely nothing left except the stone monuments. The area of Egypt was a sort of pivot point during the crustal deformations. That means that the latitudes hardly changed. The solstices hardly changed, although they rotated with the changing geographic poles. We have found no unambiguous solstice angles in the construction of the Ramesseum. For that, we have to organize a much larger survey study to the temple complex. And because we have so many other research to do, we are satisfied with the results we have found so far. Our conclusion is that the Ramesseum is most likely many times older. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please share it with your friends and followers, and let us know what you think below in the comments section. One last thing. Our work is difficult, and because we tread uncharted territory, our progress is steady but slow. We are not here to entertain you with superficial daily videos. We are here to inform you, and to pave the way to new methods of researching our ancient history. Everything we do takes a lot of time. We are not monetized on YouTube due to the controversiality of our work. That is why we need your support on Patreon. Thank you for watching.